It's too open here, but everyone needs a minute to breathe. Set up our defenses, recruit. We won't be here long. That blast would have alerted every zombie in the area. We can't just leave. What if it's still alive down there? Then what? They become food for those things! You don't think I know that? You were experienced enough to understand that not everyone makes it out in these missions. Anything can happen here, and it did! TDS is the only hope for these people. You think the military will send the army for a small rescue? They're already running thin as is. Look, I hope that they survive. I really do. But we won't make it if you don't focus on the mission. If the rest of the horde gets here, then we're all dead. You're right. I'm sorry. I'm going to search the area and see if I can find a way out. Leave random traps everywhere. Yeah, are they trying to collapse the cave? Maybe we should have left them alone. Or starting to follow us down here. Could at some point you hold them back. We need a plan. Dispatcher, do you read? Of course not. There has to be somewhere we can... Hey, where do you think you are setting off my mind like that? Got lots of brains or something? Oh, great. It's this guy. I didn't want to get out of here alive anyway. Mr. Unexcitable. Still the same depressing level zombie nuts, huh? It's good to see you too. Blaming me for letting one of the guys step in a bear trap. Sorry about me, but now that they can prove it, turns out I have been here. The city needs Christmas. Wait, are there other ways into the mine? Yeah, somebody can connect to the river since we gotta wash the crystals off. But, should we be worried about that right now? Follow me, or you guys end up getting even more work. Especially you, Mini Hunter.
weapons! Hey, soldier! I need you here, now!
On it!
Okay, raise the platform.
Raising it now.
We need to wait for Demo and Hops.
We can't wait. There's just too many zombies. We'll have to fight our way out.
I hope you're right.
I hope he's right about the tunnels. If the system comes up before Hops and Demo make it out, they'll be stuck with those things. I know they'd collapse the entire mine if they could. The best we can do is take out as many zombies as we can. That way they don't have to worry about what's behind them.
that's what it does. Neat. You guys all right?
We need to go back and find
Did
him.
anyone else come out of that mine?
Whoa, what are you...
Please tell me they made it. No.
They flooded the tunnels. We barely made it through. The zombies grabbed him and dragged him back in. I did everything I could, but it wasn't enough. I'm sorry.
We're just messing with ya. Were you about to cry?
Hey, easy. His idea.
I'm keeping this now.
You know I had to get you back.
No, you suck. All of you.
Are you guys done?
No, I think we're just getting started.
Insubordination, retaliation, arson, allegedly, assault on the superior, and a stack of paperwork banning you from every major city. You've been tossed out of every defensive agency, and now you're here. So, tell me now, are we gonna have any problems?